Alright everybody, what's up? Amauris Hernandez here. That's my name, Amauris. So this is part 2 of part 1. But now we're going to use the a6400 setup with the Sigma 16. That lens, I always use it for video, but I do not use it for photography. I'm going to use it for the photography perspective now. I'm going to be shooting wide open. Right now, since the sun is popping in and out, I'm just go to 1/4000. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, I'm gonna cheat a bit. I'm gonna get an ND filter. So hold on. Since the camera has a limit of 1/4000 for shutter, compared to the A7 III, I could go 1/8000. I want to take advantage of this. That we get darker. 1, 2, 3. That's how Lenny squats to take a dump. Oh. Guys, I'm at full power. And yeah, the ND filter on. Now we know we could do wide angle shots, portraits. Let's try to do some close up with this, which is like an equivalent to 24. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. All day, every day. Like that? Okay. Alrighty.
He doesn't even have to look at the camera, he's just
He's not even looking, just pushing the button. Una, dos, y tres. I need you more. Right here. Right there, yeah, that one. There you go. Always give the model high five.
Best ever.
So my son just took advantage of the situation, got a free one-on-one shooting lesson. Alright, so that was it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought. This is a great combo to shoot and, you know, run and gun. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace. Lenny, say bye.
Yeah.
One more time.
Yeah.